Hi Sukirti, welcome to E Times TV.
Hi.
And you're coming back after a gap, television pay, and
Yeah.
people and your fans have been missing you. So first of all, congratulations for the show. And secondly, tell us what made you accept the show.
Thank you, and thanks to all my fans who have really been rooting for me to, be there. And this show is a very interesting show. Basically, it's a very progressive show. The way it's written really interests me a lot because not that it's just been progressively written, the characters are very well defined, especially Alia's character, the girl that I'm playing. So she's not just a cliche office going or boss, she has so many layers to her. And she's not cliche independent. She can, in fact, do whatever she wants, and she does do that. So I think that's the very woman of today, sort of a thing. That's the kind of women probably you and I meet, and we've been brought up with, we live with.
Yes.
So I think it is a very realistic taste of life. At the same time, I think she's a very strong character who kind of wants to do what she has to without thinking about what exactly society is going to think about her, or ye kya bolega, wo kya bolega. So I think that's a lot of substance in Alia as a character, and that's what attracted me to her. Also, the writing is really amazing. So, all the scenes are very crisp, and at the same time, because we are a rom-com, it's a romantic comedy, so it has a comic element. At the same time, Alia is so strict, but you can't figure out that that's happening. So I think it really, and when our writer Anjum used to narrate this show to me, it was just so passionate. Whatever she used to tell me, like whenever we used to have a meeting, I used to be like, yeah, probably, I should do this show. So that's the thing that attracted me to it. It was not just, yeah, as a production house, you have to make something, so let's just get a lead. I never got that feel. So, they were very passionate about making it. So, and I think it has trickled down in what we've done, and the way it's shot, the way the set is. So, that's what attracted me to the show.
And you feel fortunate कि आजकल जो shows बन रहे हैं जिस तरीके के women are shown crying and fighting to get their space in the house or in the outside world. This at least shows the realistic side of women कि कैसे एक strong भी हो सकती है, independent हो सकती है, अपने decisions खुद ले सकती है, and can lead a happy and successful life. So you feel blessed कि ऐसा एक character आपको मिल रहा है करने के लिए, which is very close to today's girls.
Yeah, so I feel blessed, but not in comparison to what else is happening around. I mean, I'm pretty sure that those are also well thought over shows, and they have their own reasons as to why the women in the show are behaving like that. So apart from that comparison, so I don't go around comparing, oh, I'm doing so much better. So I don't think it's in that space, but yes, in the space that where we are being very real, and I feel being very real matlab it's very realistic to what really happens, and to somebody that I would relate to, again without comparing it to what is happening in other shows. Yes, I do feel that this is something that I can carry off on my shoulders and will look real at the same time. Yes, I do feel fortunate doing the show.
Why I said this, because usually actresses are mostly shown in TV shows crying all the time, and kitchen में वही पूरा scenes होते हैं and all. यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट औरतें जो आजकल की हैं वो तो एटलीस्ट रिप्रेजेंट किया जाएगा. उस तरीके से मैंने बोला कि थोड़ा अलग तरीके से अलग लाइफ दिखाने की भी कोशिश हो रही है.
Yeah, definitely, in terms of the fact that Alia is, she's pretty independent, and वो IVF का decision लेती है alone, without her father, without anyone supporting her, without her husband being there. Yes, that's there. So yeah, in that sense, it is definitely, I would rate it in the category of progressive shows for sure. Yes.
And what are the characteristics, similar between you and your character? अगर बात करें तो कुछ है?
So for sure that both of us can eat n number of cakes, and I really have to stay away from them. I really do. I think I believe that there's this particular brand that I call from, and I think, oh no, I'm not going to eat, and I end up eating the entire thing. So I think both of us are like that. I think both of us are go-getters. Like whatever we want, we are going to do it. I mean, we don't need a monitor, telling us do this, do this. So we end up doing whatever we'd like to do. I think that's very similar. I think both of us are not a big party freaks. Is another similar thing, and I think that being ambitious is part of both of us. But at the same time, I think the basic thing that makes me and Alia very same, what I felt was that both of us have a very, no matter how ambitious we might be in the outside world, but we do give a lot of importance to our family. And I think that is like definitely that part of Alia that I think is very much like me, because I think above everything I do give a lot of importance to my own family. So yeah, I think this people also use this a lot of cliche. Oh, I wanted to spend time with my family and all, but I'm not saying that they don't. But there's this little extra effort that goes in, which I know I definitely put in. So it's not a cliche for me. So, and I don't think that's a cliche for Alia either. So yeah, that's important for her. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sukirti, and all the best for your show, and looking forward to
Thank you so much. It was so much fun being on your show, and I'm so sorry I'm on the move, but I really have
No
to get
problem.
somewhere right
No
now.
problem. No
Yeah.
problem. Take care.
Thank you so
Bye
much,
bye.
darling.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, bye. Bye.